If you're looking to get yourself a motorcycle lift table to save your back when you're working on your bike, and if you're constantly moving bikes around like me, or you want to save yourself on those leg workouts to put the energy into the bike, get yourself a pneumatic lift table. These things are amazing, they go up instantly. In fact, I've actually counted the amount of pumps that this guy has if you put it into the manual mode, and it's like 47 pumps compared to like the 70 that I was doing on the other table. So it's a much more refined machine. You can get this lift from Hare and Forbes. It's actually the upgraded version from the original red one that I own, but it's also got another nice feature as well as being a little bit longer, which I'm going to utilize quite often, which is the cutout for the rear wheel to do your changes, or if you have the bike, like I said earlier, in reverse, you also have a bit of extra room for that as well. So the question still lies, what's the right motorcycle table you should get? And I can't really make that decision for you, but I can tell you which table is going to be getting the most use in my garage. Getting a pneumatic table might be a bit more of an investment than building one yourself, or even a foot operated table, but having one of these in my workshop will be my everyday table from now on, without a doubt.